Welcome to our DxOdyssey setup video. Today we're going to walk through the process of installing DxOdyssey on two machines and joining them to the same gateway group. Our gateways will be OR-Win 2019, an on-premises machine, and Azure Win 2, a machine running in the Azure public cloud. DxOdyssey is software that enables you to build secure networking connections between on-premises and/or cloud environments without a VPN or a direct link. First, we're going to run the DxOdyssey installer on OR-Win 2019. Keep in mind a gateway can be any OS, Windows or Linux, and can reside anywhere as long as it has access to the public internet. By double-clicking the installer file and clicking through the prompts, we will kick off the installation. DxOdyssey is a very lightweight application and only takes seconds to install. Once the installation succeeds, we'll run the management UI as an administrator and connect to localhost. At the initial setup screen, we will see three different options, the first of which lets us choose the interface to use for gateway communication. The second lets us join an existing gateway group, and the third lets us activate the product. Here we'll pick the first option to confirm the interface being used. Since there's no change, we'll just click No to continue. Next, we'll activate this gateway to license it. First, we'll navigate to the Gateway Manager, and then click on Manage License. Here we'll paste in our license key for DxOdyssey. Check the box next to OR-Win 2019, check the box to accept the EULA, and click Activate. We now have an activated gateway. Before we do the installation on the other node, we're going to generate a one-time private key, or OTPK for short, on the first machine. This key will be used when we add the cloud machine to the gateway group. So from the Manage OTPK dialog, click New, and then we need to select the expiration date and time of the OTPK. Here we're giving ourselves about 20 minutes, which should be plenty of time to install on our other node and join it to the group. Once generated, copy the one-time private key to your clipboard. Next, we're going to connect to the Azure Win 2 machine and install DxOdyssey much like we did on the OR-Win 2019 machine. Once the installation is complete, we'll go ahead and run the management UI from this Azure machine. Like last time, we want to confirm that the correct interface is selected. This time we'll click Yes, which gives us the option to select one or more interfaces for the machine. Since the selected interface is correct, we'll just close out of this dialog box by clicking Cancel. To join this newly installed gateway to the other one, open the Gateway Manager and select Join Gateway Group. Checking the first checkbox ensures that the local gateway will join by registering with the DH2I Cloud Matchmaking Service. Under Passkey, we paste in the one-time private key that we created on the other gateway. We then check the boxes to activate the gateway after joining and accept the EULA, and then click OK. A warning appears asking if we are sure we want to join the new gateway group. After clicking Yes and waiting several seconds, we can see the list of gateways in the group, which now includes both the on-premises machine and the cloud machine. That's all it takes to create a DxOdyssey gateway group. Now that we've got the hybrid cloud gateway group configured, we can create secure, discrete tunnels between the two sites. Check out the links in the description to watch our other videos on how to configure a tunnel. Thank you for watching our DxOdyssey installation video. Please contact us at info@dh2i.com or visit dh2i.com/DxOdyssey for more information. We hope to hear from you soon.